Morning, friends. It is Friday morning, paper flower time. Let's get into it. We're making these cup flowers, is like what I like to call them, because you're going to need a cup. You're going to need some Mod Podge. I need to refill mine, because guess what? I thought I was filming, and I wasn't filming. So, here we go again. I'm using cupcake liners just because it's convenient and easy, but you can make circles out of any paper you have and do this technique. So if you want a more delicate look, use a crepe paper. If you want a coarser, harder look, use construction paper. I'm using this. I think I want to do pinks though, so let me grab all the pink. And we're going to start by folding these cupcakes liners, or if you have a circle, fold it in half. Create your half moon or dumpling shape, if you will. And we're going to lay it down in our cup like that. The circle and the round end facing in the cup, and we're going to start layering just like this all the way around the cup. Oops. The first layer might be a little tricky just to get it settled, but get in there, buddy. And we're just going to go around the circle. The idea is we're going to make a little, I guess this is a rose of some kind. Could be a peony. I think it's more of like a rose. I'm just going to layer and layer and layer and keep it going. The idea is to layer it until you don't see the hole in the middle anymore. Adding glue as you go. Super, super easy. There is no skill in this. This is just repetitive laying down of paper. Got Peter Pan soundtrack on this morning. I wish I could fly. Okay. We're going to fill this all the way around until there's no circle that you can see anymore. Or the hole is gone, I should say. The tighter, the more fuller your flower is going to be. The more paper you use, the less full it'll be. But depending on your technique. And I really want to try a miniature version of this. Just have to find the right vessel to do it in. I think the smaller versions will be cuter and even like more fun to use in a journal. These big ones, like, I'm not even going to stick them on my wall. I'm not quite sure. Alright, need more pink. Alright, we don't really see the hole anymore, but I am going to add a few more layers just because I want it to be a little fuller. And again, this is our third paper flower. This is called the rose, I guess, or a version of a rose. I think I'm going to add white now to the bottom of this. Okay, now that everything's filled, I'm going to just cover the top and add one piece just to kind of cement it all in. Okay, let's see what we got here. So then you just flip it over and you pull it out, and then this is your flower. This one is weird in there. But yeah, these are cup flowers. If you switch and do the round side facing out, you get something that's this. It's a little different. But if you do the rounds facing in, you get this kind of rose petal. See how the inside? So the more and more you use, the thicker and fuller that becomes. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what then to do with these. Like, you know, I don't know. You guys tell me. Paper flower number 3. These are cup roses. Really quick, easy flour. Happy crafting, y'all. Happy Friday. Talk soon.